So I wanted to apply for MBA in a university and I was starting with this WhatsApp AI chatbot. Just see how accurately it replies me. I typed this message, hey, and it said, hi, how can I help you with Bright Future University today? Over here I asked for the fees, so it has replied me very accurately, 4 lakh per year. I asked that can I pay tuition in installments? It is saying yes, we offer installments. So do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and replying me within seconds with so accurate answers? No, this is an AI chatbot. But you must be wondering that AI chatbots reply very generic answers. But over here it is so specific, it has all the details of my university. So I'm just going to let you know how this AI chatbot is created and how it is replying so accurately. So as you can see over here is the knowledge base using which this AI chatbot is replying so accurately. As you can see over here, the fees of MBA is mentioned 4 lakh per year and it has replied exactly the same. And over here you can see all the details of the university is mentioned, and using the details only this AI chatbot is replying. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video I'll show you how you can also build an AI chatbot like this for your own business. For that, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, and you can send offers, updates on WhatsApp, manage sales, support customers, build chatbots and AI chatbots all from your WhatsApp number, and we're official meta tech provider. And over here we have no extra fees for team members. You can create unlimited chatbots with no additional fees, unlimited WhatsApp numbers at no extra cost. And over here right now we're also offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, so you can click on the sign up for free button and get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and you can try this AI chatbot for your business for free. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. You just have to type this coupon code, which is RITYT, click on this apply, and you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. This discount coupon code can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Just click on the sign up for free, log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow. Make sure to add your WhatsApp number once you log in. And if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, you're going to find a video tutorial on your screen if you haven't added your WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you'll also get it in the description box below. You can check it out. Just add your WhatsApp number. It is very important and it is the first step of creating a chatbot. After you add the WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this AI assistant and then click on this add AI assistant button. Now you have to name this assistant. So I'm just going to keep it as AI chatbot and click on this add AI assistant. We're just going to create this without doing any programming or coding language. So it is asking to select the instruction type. So I'm just going to select it as AI agent, and the instructions are entered automatically. So whenever you select something from the examples, the instructions will be entered automatically. You can edit these, but if you want to give a custom prompt, you can select over here custom prompt and enter the instructions yourself. I'm just going to choose AI agent directly from here. Now it is asking me for the temperature. So what is this temperature? You can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move it towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. As a university, I want more focused answers, so I'm just going to keep the temperature as 0.3. You can select this according to your own business type. For the AI to use, just select it as Open AI, select the model of your choice, and then you have to enter the API key. So from where you're going to get this API key? So for that you have to go on this OpenAI API key page. Once you come on this OpenAI API key page, just log in over here. I'm just going to log in my OpenAI platform, and after you log in the top right corner, you're going to get this option of create new secret key. So click on this name your key, select the project, and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created. Then you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your AI assistant, and then click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, OpenAI key will be saved successfully. Now over here it is asking for the AI assistant settings, so you can enter a header and a footer message. The maximum characters are 60. Just type the message right over here after switching on this button. The next is the stop keywords. So you can enter the keywords that user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can enter multiple keywords, and in order to enter these keywords, you just have to type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword right over here. If you don't press enter, the keyword will not be added. That is asking for the retry attempts. So over here you can switch on this button, specify the number of fallback retry attempts. If the AI assistant fails to respond, the valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 3. Now it is asking for the fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your support email address in this message, so if the user has some emergency, they can directly contact you on your support, or you can say on your Gmail. And yes, with this we have completed this instructions type. Now comes the knowledge source, which is the most important part. Like I told you that this AI assistant was replying using these details which I have mentioned. How can I upload these details? For that, just go on this knowledge source and click on this upload file button. Just insert your file in the media library first. So for that, you have to go on this add new file button and choose your file from your computer. What you have to do is you directly have to choose the file from here, click on this upload file, and it will be uploaded right over here. How can you get this file? For that, go on this doc and just simply enter the details of your business in a Google document. Go on this file, download, and download this in PDF or TXT format. Both are available in Pabbly Chatflow, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format. There's no limit for TXT, but if you go for PDFs, there's a limit for PDF. If you upload images in the PDFs, the limit is up to 10 pages. Okay, so you can choose according to your own choice. I have downloaded it in TXT format and I'm just going to simply upload it. For that, just go on this add a file and I'm just going to choose a file right over here. Let me just go and choose a file, click on this upload file, and it is going to be uploaded in my media library. Then choose it and click on this insert button. Now this knowledge base will be added right over here. We have this date and time and the vector ID, which is the proof of the successful uploading. Now go on this assistant interface, so you can change the heading name, you can change the subheading name. Whatever changes you're going to make on the left end of the site, they will be updated on the right end of the site. So I'll just let you know how. So let's say I'm just going to keep the heading name as this. For the subheading, if you want, you can definitely edit this too. For the initial message, you can add up to 2 initial messages. Just type the initial message and then press enter to add it right over here. If you want to display the powered by Pabbly label, enable it, otherwise disable it simply. If you want the footer text, enter it. Same goes for the footer link. Over here is this user first message. This is very important. This message will be sent from WhatsApp to you as the initial message from the user. So it is very important that you enter this correctly. I'm just going to keep it as hey right over here. Now let's move on further towards the styling. So you can style your AI chatbot. You can change the theme, the shapes, the colors, and much more. Like this, our AI chatbot is ready. So just switch on this toggle button and click on the save AI assistant. Now this AI assistant is ready, but how can we use it for a business practically? So for that, go on this embedded and you're going to find the script. Just copy and paste the script on your website and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Then whenever someone is going to visit your website, they're going to see this chat with us button, and when they click on this chat with us button, this dialog box will appear. Then when they go on this start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message which you selected will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp. That's the reason I told you that this initial message is very important. So like this, we have created this AI chatbot. Now let's see how we can assign this AI chatbot. So for that, from the left hand of the side, come on this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow, and let's say you want to assign this AI chatbot to a particular customer or a user. So you can choose the chat, go on this choose AI assistant button, and over here you can assign the AI chatbot directly. And if you want to assign it to multiple users or customers at once, for that, from the settings, go on this inbox settings and then scroll, and in the end you're going to see the option of this enable AI auto replies. So select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list right over here, and then click on the save button. Now whenever any contact from this list is going to message, this AI chatbot is going to reply. If you want to learn how to create contact list, just come on this contact section, and from here you can create contact list and add contacts. If you want to learn more about this settings section or this contact section, the video is given in the description box below. You can check it out. Like this, we have successfully learned how to create an AI chatbot without any coding or programming language. So go and try this amazing AI chatbot yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. The discount coupon code, which is RITYT, is going to get you the highest amount of discount. It is attached in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.